Do you want to not see the same offer anymore from the same company, or want to block or hide the company entirely? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, here, in order to hide a job or a company, what you can do is on the leftmost side you should be seeing jobs right here. That should be right below profile. So you can just simply select that first. And once you have selected that, you should be seeing various stuff that you can choose from the jobs. So you can scroll down and here you should be seeing jobs. Now in order to hide it, let's say if I want to hide this job or this company, on the bottom right side you should be seeing hide right here. So you can just simply select that. So once I select hide, just simply select tick, write anything that you like, and it should be hidden just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. And I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.